Welcome to RoboBrief, your daily robotics and AI briefing. Today, Rivian's industrial AI spinout WIRobotics just hit a $3.4 billion valuation. South Korea's WIRobotics lands $68 million for its ALLEX humanoid, and Hanwha Aerospace teams up with Milrem Robotics on Romania's new battlefield robot fleet. First, the biggest robotics check of the week. On May 13th, WIRobotics, the industrial AI startup that Rivian spun out last year, and that's still run by Rivian's own CEO RJ Scaringe, closed another $400 million in fresh funding led by Kleiner Perkins. That brings total capital raised to more than $1 billion in under a year at a $3.4 billion valuation. The pitch is simple. Instead of building a humanoid, WIRobotics is training general-purpose factory AI models on live production data from Rivian's own assembly lines, then deploying purpose-built robots to do the fiddly, judgment-based tasks that classic factory automation has never been good at. Rivian is both shareholder and live customer. Investors clearly see this physical AI approach as the real path to scale. Story 2. A quieter humanoid raise from the other side of the Pacific. South Korean robotics company WIRobotics closed a $68 million Series B on May 15th, led by JB Investment. The money goes straight into ALLEX. Inherently compliant general-purpose humanoid with human-level hand dexterity that responds to force and contact without using force sensors. The company plans to ship its research version, Mobile ALLEX, to global research institutions later this year. WIRobotics is already partnered with NVIDIA and AWS on physical AI, and it joined NVIDIA's Physical AI Fellowship. After years of dominance by Figure, 1X, and Unitree, Seoul finally has a serious humanoid contender of its own. Finally, the robots go to war, or at least to the BSDA Defense Expo in Bucharest. On May 15th, South Korea's Hanwha Aerospace and Estonia's Milrem Robotics signed a teaming agreement to deliver unmanned ground vehicles for Romania's new robot army program. Hanwha brings its wheeled Grunt 6x6 and Ariane Smet platforms. Milrem brings the Track the Miss, its battle-tested unmanned ground vehicle that already runs reconnaissance, casualty evacuation, and logistics resupply. 3 days earlier, the two companies ran a live manned-unmanned teaming demo outside Bucharest, integrating Hanwha's Tigon armoured vehicle with both UGVs and battlefield drones. NATO's eastern flank is quietly becoming a robotics showcase. That's your RoboBrief for Saturday, May 16th. Hit subscribe and read the full stories at robobrief.tech. See you tomorrow.